Okay, we're trying a new approach. I need an outfit, because we're in our pantaloonies over here. Hello, ma'am. Today, you have just won a free pizza from a very handsome bachelor. Catch? There's no catch. This bachelor just thought you were the most beautiful woman in the world, and he really wanted to give you a gift. This bachelor's name is Gerard Wayne. Can I come in and give you the pizza? Butter you up? Ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. I really didn't mean any harm. I'm just a pizza deliverer. Don't shoot the messenger. Too easy. Too easy. Can I come in now? Wait, I'm trying to get you. That is so bad.